Alright guys, so let's do some math, and today we are going to explore what is math module. Math module is a built-in Python module. You don't need to install it, it is built in. So these are some operations that this module can do. So floor and seal, we'll talk about all these in a moment. Logarithms and checking types of the value, and some trigonometry and many more advanced functions also. So let's begin. See, if we want to do, let's first of all explore what is there. So first of all we need to import this module. Okay, so now we'll see what is there in the math module. Okay, math. Okay, so here are some methods which are present in math module. So this is Python 3.7 version, and this version lacks some of the functionalities, and if we try to do it in Python version 3.8, we'll see there are many more methods available. So we'll see here, we'll see. So like this permutation method is present in 3.8 version, not in 3.7 version, and there were some other method that I found that is not present in 3.7 version. Anyways, so most common methods are present in 3.7 version also, and let's start. So where should we start? Let's start with advanced functions, some of the advanced functionality. If we want to find a log of something, log of any number, okay, let's say 10, what is the log of this? And then if you want to again convert it to the original number, so we'll say exponential math.exp. So you can see it in here, what are some, here it is exp. And if you want to know what this particular method does, is you will say math.exp. And if sorry, and if you are working in Jupyter Notebook, you can press shift and tab, so it will it says return e raised to the power of x. Or if you are working in any other environment, you can say help, and here it is. So it e raised to the power of x, so e raised to the power of this number will return 10. Yeah, or we can say math dot exponential of math dot log of something is equals to itself. So yes, we can see that. And so the base of the math dot log function is e, and if you want to choose some other base, you can declare it like this: log of 5 power of log of 500, and log base is say 10. You can do it like that, or you can also, they also have functions like log 10 with the log base 10, log 1p, log 2, and many more methods. So let's see trigonometry, and we can simply, this is self-explanatory, we'll say sine value of 0 is 0. You can declare any other value also. 45, the value is, oops, I deleted it. Anyways, so these are some. And this hypotenuse function, we can find hypotenuse also of a triangle. Math dot hypot hypot. So two sides are 3 and 4. What will be the hypotenuse? 5. Okay, so let's explore some more. So these are, you can type check also, is nan. You can declare nan value also by saying math dot nan. Let me show you here, math dot nan. If you want some value to be nan in let's say matrix, you can declare it like that, math dot nan. And if you want infinity value, math dot inf. So these are some functionalities math module provides. And you can type check also. If we say math x is equals to math dot infinity, okay, and if we type check it, x dot is infinity, it will, okay, we have to call it math dot is, okay, I got it. It says true. And if we say math dot is none, it will say false. Okay, this is clear. And these are the most common which methods which you will use very frequently. These floor and ceiling method, square roots, and I square root, pi, e. So here let's see the value. If you want to find a circumference of a circle, how will you say 2 into math, 2 pi r is the formula for circumference of a circle. So we'll say math 2 into math dot pi into, if our length radius of our circle is 1, so this will be the circumference of the circle. Okay, you can also declare Euler's number. Math dot value of Euler's number is this, and you are, let's say you want to find square root of any number. Math dot sqrt, square root of any number. It is not necessary to be a perfect square of a number. So if we say 20, so it gives approximate square root of 20. Or if we want only this value, we'll say I square root. No attribute. Okay, this method is not available in 3.7 version, so we'll try it here. We'll say math dot I square root 20. What we did here, okay. Here it is. So it will remove all the trailing points after point. It will return only integer value of the square root. Okay, and this floor and ceiling is the most frequent which I use very frequently. And what are these? Let's say if you are multiplying two numbers 10 into 1.5, okay, so it gives 10 divided by 1.5 will give some float value. If we want to convert it into a integer, so we will say math dot floor. If we want it, let's see what the docstring says. Return the floor of x as an integral. Okay, so math dot floor will return 6. And if we want ceiling, SEIL, it will return 7. So what it is doing is, if we have a floating point, and it will return a nearest integer. If we are doing ceiling method, it will nearest integer bigger than the number itself, and if we are doing floor, it will return nearest integer less than the given number. So this is the math module. You can explore it more and it will be very helpful. There are many methods available which don't require this math module, but let me give an example. What I'm saying is, let's say f mod. So this f mod, what is this f mod? We say f modulus 4, it will return 1. So what will be the remainder if we try to divide 5 by 4? So by math module we can say is math dot f mod 5 by 4. So why it is useful? Some say you want to make it explicit. So for any reason you want to make it explicit or more intuitive what you are doing. If somebody doesn't know syntax, it is more explicit and interpretable what you are doing. So in these ways math module is very helpful. So explore it on your cell phone. And there are so many methods, so many advanced functionalities also, like this GCD, greatest common factor, math dot GCD, greatest common factor of let's say 40 and 60 will be 20. So these are some functionalities: gamma function, cos h, hyperbolic tan. So these are so many useful method available in this module, so definitely check.